Hey everybody, thanks for checking out my video. In this short clip, I'm going to show you a product that I've just picked up recently from Amazon. It's a set of 3 ND filters for the Parrot Anafi Drone. So let's dive into it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about this small set of Anafi Drone filters which I picked up on Amazon. These were 20 quid or 20 pounds, which is about $24. These are easily installed on the front of the Anafi. I've seen a lot of people talking about these and just the difference that it can make. So I'm just going to show you what this pack looks like. So let's have a check inside the box. So we've got a little protection case here, nothing else inside. Here on the front, a little opening slot, so open that up inside. Seems like we've got some stickers for each of the filters to identify those. We've got a small cleaning cloth, pretty straightforward. Cleaning the front of your camera on the front of the drone, and of course obviously the filters. Let's put that there. And then inside this box, some foam in here. You've essentially got each of the ND filters. I'll take each one individually and have a look at it. So on the first one here, if you can read on the side there, it says ND4, first polarized filter. On the second, ND8. And on the third, ND16. So now I'm just going to try one of these out on the drone, see what the fitment looks like, and let you see that. Okay, so here I've got the Parrot Anafi Drone. I'm just going to let you see how this fitment works with one of these ND filters. So let me just pick one up. Now at the front of the drone, it's literally just a case of set it on and very slightly pressing at the end. There's no magnet, there's no screw fitment, it's just as simple as a little bit of pressure to hold it in place. And now it seems to be fixed on, and that will just give you a polarization. And again, very light pressure to remove. And I'm just going to show you with a second filter here. So again, just holding the camera gently, I'm just going to apply the ND filter. Looks good, so it's in position, seems fairly sturdy. I'm sure there's probably alternatives out there on the market, but in terms of from a fitment, looks pretty good. Happy with these. I'm going to go and try flying now and see what the results are, and I'll post some of the videos in an update shortly. But in terms of on these products, if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, you've got any questions, have you used these already? Have you tried them out? Any comments below, let me know. Thanks guys.